Para asa na, love? Para asa ni mo ihatag, love?
Nabahaan.
Ato, sa nabahaan, love?
Ya, ko.
Dito sa paghatag sa to sinina.
Tama lang.
Puno na? Ha?
Puno na.
Puno na? Nadalon. Ilang pastor? Pastor Aman. Sa nabahaan? Tabang day ka?
Hello brothers and sisters. This is the relief youth floating for the flood victims in Cagayan de Oro City. So I am Pastor Christopher Samunti. We have prepared 2 sacks of relief youth clothing for the flood victims to help also our fellow pastors there in Cagayan de Oro City, because they don't have clothes. So this is our love to our fellow ministers to help one another. Let's continue to pray for the flood victims, that their houses will be rebuilt faster according to the provision of God in their finances. Thank you and God bless. Merry Christmas.